So guys, I've been getting a lot of comments on what my exhaust setup is on my 2014 Charger RT. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go over that right now and why I think it's the best setup. So starting off, we have these quad tips here, and these are actually discontinued. I got them from eBay. I'm sure you guys can find something similar, but these are discontinued like I said. I went the quad tip just because I think it fills out this area better, because if you go with a single tip, I don't know, I feel like personally, for me, it doesn't fill it out as well, but I think that looks pretty good, and I think it's a lot better than the stock little plastic one that Chrysler puts on here from factory. So yeah, quad tips, and then you guys can see they're welded here, and here, the exhaust is actually hot. I shouldn't have touched it, but you guys can see this is where the resonators were, so we have a resonator delete, no resonators, they were there on the left and right side, and this is where it gets a little different. So coming all the way underneath the car, we have, I don't know what that's on it, but we have these Carven R mufflers. There it is, upside down, Carven exhaust. These are the R form, and I believe they're $90 a piece, so for 180 bucks you get both sets. And then coming underneath, we have the stock factory X pipe. And then just to show you guys, let me move these trays out of the way. Again, there's the X pipe, and then in just to the normal cats. So just the only things done is the tips, the Carven R mufflers, and the resonator delete. And I think this car is just every bit as loud as the straight piped cars, because a lot of my friends just have the muffler and resonator delete. And that sounds good, but it's a little too raspy for me. I think this gives the Carven R mufflers, it still gives you the volume that you like, but it's a little bit more throaty, if you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I think, you know, it's a different setup than what people normally run, so I would recommend it for sure. Yeah, sounds pretty good. I think the quad tips look pretty good too. So there you guys go. That is my simple setup, just the Carven R mufflers. I believe Carven makes two different types. There's the R type and some other type I can't remember. So yeah, these are the R's. And then resonator delete, that's it. That's pretty much it. And the quad tips obviously, but that doesn't really change the noise. But yeah, like I said, it's just as loud, I think, as a straight pipe charger, but it's just got a little bit different tone to it, which I really like. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you guys.